Paint protection film, or PPF, typically lasts between 5 to 10 years, depending on the quality and how the vehicle is cared for. PPF is clear protected layer applied to your vehicle paint that helps guard against rock chips, scratches, UV damage, and everyday road wear. It is designed to take impact so your factory paint stays protected underneath. How long it lasts really comes down to a few key factors. High quality film that lasts longer and offer better resistance to UV rays and staining. Professional installation also plays a huge role because proper edge sealing and application help prevent lifting or premature wear. Your driving conditions matters too. Frequent highway driving, harsh winter, road salt, and constant sun exposure can all shorten the lifespan. On the other hand, gentle driving and covered parking can help extend it closer to that 10 years range. Maintenance is also important. Regular washing with pH neutral soap, avoiding harsh chemicals, and keep the surface clean all help preserve the film. Many modern PPF even includes a self-healing top coat that helps reduce light scratches over time. When properly installed and maintained, PPF is one of the best long-term investments for keeping your vehicle looking newer, cleaner, and better protected. At Sun Control of Minnesota, we provide professional paint protection film installation designed for long-lasting durability and performance. Call or check out our website today to get your free quote.